this rope. Before we drift any deeper, baby, now hold me close.
Good morning, waves. So you guys already know when you see the background, your girl is at work. It's Saturday, so you know, I never make plans, but I'm trying to figure out what's gonna happen today because I'm gonna be kid free. So what I plan on doing is today I for sure need to wash clothes. I have a lot of clothes I need to wash. After that, I don't know what we're gonna do. I know Sean's gonna be working, so I don't know if I'm gonna be at home by myself or if I'm gonna go to my parents' house. I'm probably gonna see what my aunt is doing tonight. See if she wanna go to the movies or something, hang out. I don't know. I'll figure it out. You guys. So, okay, so I thought I was tripping, right? I'm like, there's absolutely, what I'm feeling is not what I think I'm feeling. This baby, I feel like is like her head is up here and her legs are down there. I feel like she is kicking me down there, down in my woohoo area. I said this baby moves more than Alan and Drew did. It feels like she's kicking me down there, right? And like every time she do it, I'm jumping like, and so I'm fussing at her already. I'm like, can you stop? Can you kick somewhere else? But she is still doing it. She stopped now. Now she more kicking like to the kicking the left side of my stomach. So I had to Google it because I'm like, is that even possible? So I Googled, and they were saying like the baby can be feet first and kicking the cervix. So I guess what I'm feeling is her kicking the cervix. All I know is it's uncomfortable. It tickles. It's like a weird sensation. It tickles, but it's like, you know, it catches you off guard, so you're like jumping like, girl. I feel like she is gonna be wild. Woo, it's gonna be a show in the house. It's gonna be a show in the house with her. I can already feel it. Look at that.
It's gonna start all over.
Nice piece of meat. I'm telling my dad. He's gonna kick your ass.
You can't kick.
Oh, I was right now.
What's our number?
Alright, Sean, so we finally got our food over there. I have my horchata. I got a wet burrito. And Sean got some carne asada fries, I think it is. But we're at the laundromat. So we were hungry. I had just got off of work. And we just took the kids. We dropped the kids off, so we were like, let's go eat and wash these clothes. So that's what I'm doing. And then I'm gonna do my hair because I'm tired of doing my hair. So to give myself like a week break, I'm gonna flat iron my hair. I'm gonna attempt some pin curls. So we're gonna see how that looks. But this is Juani's food. That was real good. Him and his hot sauce. It don't matter what kind of hot sauce it is. And then this is mine. Yum, yum, yum. And I have some beans somewhere. Oh, in my lap. Then the beans. Dang! 2 minutes later. This is 2 minutes later, y'all. He done ate all the damn food. Dang! Okay, y'all, so I'm using the Cream of Nature argan oil from Morocco. It's a conditioning treatment. So I'm using this because I am going to flat iron my hair today. Tell them where you going.
I'm going to Not Scary Farm. Look at my hand time. Oh boy, he's cute.
It smells like grease, hair grease.
Busy, I got you something.
got me.
when I went to Rite Aid. I got you a drink. This is like this.
What kind is it? Aloe vera?
Aloe vera, watermelon, and peach.
Oh, that actually sounds pretty yummy.
And I think it has, I don't know if it has chunks in it.
Ooh, even better. Alright. So this is a long ass process. Takes forever. Then there's Halloween parties going on tonight. These people gonna be like, oh, who are you for Halloween? Diana Ross? Tina Turner? Somebody with big hair? Erykah Badu? I'm very tempted to not even straighten my hair. I'm kind of like, I don't want to keep going. I think I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna eat, sit down for a little bit, and then I might finish my hair. But I'm over it already. It took a long time. Like, I took a shower and I shampooed my hair, conditioned it. It took a long time up in there, I swear. Then I conditioned it with the Cream of Nature Morocco brand thing, and then I let that sit for a little bit, and then I rinsed that out, and I just got done blow drying my hair. So now, yeah, I think I'm gonna take a break, because if I keep going, because I know it's gonna take me a long time to flat iron. It's gonna take me like an hour, and even though I do have the time because I don't have any children, I'm still gonna take a break because I'm like over it. I know if I keep going and I do flat iron my hair, I'm gonna be like, hell no. So as you guys can see, I got a trim. I'm about to trim my hair too, because you know, it's not looking too right. And I want to trim it now before I flat iron my hair. Bumpkin, it's hot, girl. It's hot. Sissy leaving me.
What'd you say?
You leaving me.
What?
You leaving me.
Yep.
I want her to walk with me, so I don't have to go outside looking like this. Yeah.
Oh, I'm not walking with you.
You're not gonna go with me down to the house? Yeah, I'm about to go to Knott's Berry Farm looking like this. Well, not Knott's Berry Farm, but I mean, well, we're going in the same area as Knott's Berry Farm, but we're going to the chicken place. I'm like, ooh. I said, can I go with my hair like this? Yeah. At Knott's Berry Farm, sissy. We're here looking for you. We're here for the chicken only. We can't go in there. I wish we could sneak in there. That'll be fun. They go Ghost Rider, y'all. That ride changed my life. I'm out looking like a monster. I've been seeing a lot of boys wearing those silk do-rags, and they be all colorful. I've been seeing a lot of boys wearing do-rags, silk do-rags.
You just going to Universal.
Oh, see, now that's the one worth spending on. Not very fun. Oh, Snoopy hat. So that's where we're going, to the chicken restaurant. Why are you in my video? I told you. And now. Oh yeah. Now me and Auntie at Starbucks. Oh, are they closed? With this girl. Take the stuff. I got the good stuff. So this is what I am on tonight, okay? Yes, caramel wrap, and then this is a cheesecake the girl told me, so I got that. So yeah, y'all, I was out there just like this, and just like this, hot mess here in the fro. But I had a good time. It was good getting out the house. So now I'm about to tackle this hit of mine's. And the guy in Starbucks, he was like, the guy taking our order, he was like, I love your hair. Your hair looks nice. And I said, thank you. I was like, I'm flat ironing it, but I got lazy. He was like, no, you don't need to do anything to it. He's like, I like it like that. And I was like, oh, that's nice. Especially when someone that's not black saying it. Because I'm so used to people that's not black. They'll be like, they give you weird stares. And if they do see you with your hair straight or whatever, they'll be like, oh, you look better with your hair straight. Rude, right? But anyways, I'm about to tackle this hair so I can eat my cheesecake, drink my drink, and just chillax with Bumpkin up in here. Hang with homegirl. So, Alexa, play Destiny's Child on Pandora.
Getting your Destiny's Child radio station from Pandora.
Thank you, girl.
And I pay my own bills. Always 50-50 in relationships. The shoes on my feet, I buy. The clothes I'm wearing, I buy. The rock I'm rocking.
I gotta get motivated, y'all, because I got all this hair I gotta flat iron right now. I would cut off my hair. I will wear a fade and I'll put on one of those silk do-rags and be gone. I feel like Big Worm from Friday. But it feels, it's very roomy. I didn't show you guys the process, but my hair was looking mighty puffy on the ends when I got done flat ironing my hair, which took 3 hours. I trimmed my ends. My hair is probably like uneven, looking crazy as I don't know what. I decided to do pin curls. I was like debating, like, should I do them? Should I not do them? Because I had never done them before. On my real hair, I've done them on when I used to wear weaves a long time ago, but I never done it on my real hair. So I used bobby pins, pin curled my hair, and I'm about to say a hair prayer. Hold on, let me do it now. Dear Lord, please let my hair come out correctly. Please don't let me go to work looking crazy. Please don't let it get poofy. Just please have me looking cute by the head for once. Please, Lord, please. Thank you. Amen. Hopefully tomorrow in the morning as I get ready for work, my hair comes out right, because I don't know what else I'm gonna do to it. So yeah, anywho, hopefully, I'm telling you, every time I flat iron my hair, it just comes out bad. So I'm hoping tomorrow I just have a good day. This is really tight, like it's hurting me, and it's gonna leave a mark. Bet. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Pray for me. I knew it was gonna leave a line. I just pray. You know, I already prayed, but I just hope this comes out right, or I can fix it to where it's all right, or I just might have to put it in a ponytail. Who knows? But we're gonna check it out and see. Because I didn't have my other thing, I usually have like this black thing to hold my hair. And, oh God. Damn it. This, yep, it's jacked up. I'm glad I'm figuring this out now. Before, damn, this sucks, dude. This really sucks. My heart is broken. Cause y'all, I prayed long and hard for this hair to come out. come out decent. And the top of my head looked like crap. Whatever. Yeah, the top of my hair looked dumb. I could have did this with just blow dried hair. I'm extremely pissed right now. It's not even funny. I'm pissed. I'm just gonna get all the lights on. Yeah. Look at the stairs. These are the stairs that I talk about, that I go up. And I get winded when I'm like, I went a little bit past half this time, but I get winded now. I'm like, I can't just run up the stairs anymore. I have to take my time. It's too much now. Now this is my hair. I need some edge control because as y'all can see, the flyaways is just everywhere. I didn't put any product on it. I just brushed it back, put in the ponytail, put in a little bun. I mean, it's clear. I can't flatten out my hair anymore like I used to. And I wanted to wear my hair straight when I gave birth because the last times I always had my hair curly or in a ponytail. So I'm like, I want to wear my hair straight for my baby girl, but I'm not doing it. Like, I wanted to cry this morning because I wasted 3 hours flat ironing and pin curling my hair just for it to come out like this. I could have did this with just the blow dryer. But I'm gonna end the vlog right here. It's Sunday. I hope you guys have a wonderful Sunday. Don't forget when you wake up every morning to just thank God for blessing you and your family for another day. And make sure just make sure you pray and talk to him throughout the day. Thank him for what you have. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, waves.
Forever, come on, baby, won't you hold